शंभू
हाँ भैया 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 परेशान गर्छ यार हाँ यही हो रही नीरज कौन चाहिए था अब राइट की लेफ्ट आपका राइट या मेरा राइट
यहाँ से भी एक रास्ता जा रहा है हाँ बिल्कुल जाएगी यहाँ से
आगे मत जाइए
Hello folks, Namaste. Starting my second day from this place, Banaras Ko Ghat. I am vlogging and these people, you know, they are taking the selfie. It's a different moment, beautiful moment for all of us here. But the place is dirty. That's the sad part. Safa Sugar एउटा रेस्टुरेन्ट खोज्नु सर ब्रेकफास्ट को
साबुनले दिएको चाहिँ
साबुनले
स्याम्पूले दिएको चाहिँ
कचोरी चनाहरू
वासिङ मेसिनले दिएको
अब अलिकति हेर्दा राम्रो होस् न सफा We went to the temple and you know what happened. We were thinking about just going around and Bairi bada darshan karne. We were planning to do that, but things were easy.
Because we have Neeraj with us, so
Oh, because we have Neeraj with us and
All
good
the way
luck.
from-
all the good luck just
I mean, good luck just followed us. So yeah, darshan is done. We had our breakfast. I was not that happy with the breakfast because it was basically dirty. I mean, people come to Banaras to explore this. Food vloggers, I see many of them coming to Banaras. But for some reason, I had tough time. I had tough time, especially with street food. Anyways, now we are heading towards south. So exiting Banaras now, going towards Madhya Pradesh, and we will be entering Maharashtra and Telangana also. Let's see. Our next destination, next major stop is going to be Tirupati. It's all about temple. It's all about darshan. Let's do it. And our things with Hyundai Tucson, sir?
going great, going smooth, going ultra luxurious with our ultra luxury bed also.
Yeah. Okay, let's carry on with the journey. Bye Banaras. See you next time. And when is that next time? I don't know.
We never know. Maybe by 2026 maybe.
यो पनि हामी यो ट्रिप हुन त यो दिस इयर इट्स आवर सेकेन्ड ट्रिप होइन
हो त नेपाली वर्षमा है फेरि
नेपाली वर्षमा है सेकेन्ड ट्रिप
यो गङ्गा हैन यो
हो taken an exit from UP already and right now we've crossed Hanumana. We are inside Madhya Pradesh. Today we are going to cross Madhya Pradesh also. We will be crossing Maharashtra also. That's our plan. Let's see. But we're not going to take that pressure. We'll take it easy. And look at पेट देखाएर सेक्सी भएर सुतिरहनु भएको छ त ठिकै छैन
censored fully censored
No, it's not censored. It will be shown. And by the way, Neeraj, he's got a habit of driving left-hand drive cars, and that also automatic. By the time we finish this trip, he's gonna be an expert driving manual car.
त्यसको मुखबोली हेरेको
मलाई झन्डै यहाँ लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड साइड हामीलाई टेन्सन भइसकेको छ। तपाईँले भन्नुभयो लेफ्ट त्यही हो उसको, एकदम लेफ्टमा लाँदो रहेछ क्या गाडी। तपाईँलाई पनि याद गर्नुभयो?
अस्ति तपाईँले गाली गरेको
वेलकम टु रिभा सिङ्गम। हामीले चार्ज गरेको ठाउँ यही हो, पहिला गाडी यहाँ चार्ज गरेको हो। हामी जाने उ त्यो ठाउँमा हो माम खानालाई। सिधै जाउँ, सिधै बारमा गएर बार जाने होइन। बिस्तारै सर्लक्क मिलाएर कता राख्नु भन्छ, सर्लक्कै मिलाइदियो। ओके, लेट्स गो हैव आवर फुड।
आफ्टर लन्च
Hey, very satisfied with the lunch?
यस। त्यो मुहारमा त्यो प्रसन्नता र त तेज हेर्नुहोस्, तेज।
मटनमा मटन थिएन।
मटन दिएन, हल्की मात्रै दियो।
तर झोल पनि मिठै थियो।
अहिले भर्खर
आशिष प्रसाद ओझा द अप्पर शेर सोइला था।
You know what, guys? We are driving all night today again, once again repeating whatever we did in the past. And my driving partners, they are also ready, right, people?
And one thing is, we are all from the same club, Saitika Club.
Take care of your health. Comfortably, Jane, because we have got this bed here. We don't have that much problem. Whoever is tired can sleep. I was sleeping till this time. Little later, I'll drive. Maybe somebody else will sleep. That's gonna happen. कस्तो दामी देखियो क्या बाहिर, गोल्डन आवर हैन, एन्ड सनसेट फ्रम द हाइवे इज अलवेज ग्रेट। राम्रो लाग्छ छैन ब्रो त्यो सनसेट?
एकदम दामी छ यार।
तपाईँ ट्राई गर्नु हो, भएको हावा पनि जाला है।
त्यो त नाइट्रोजन रहेछ त।
नाइट्रोजन त हुँदैन सर, हाम्रोमा नाइट्रोजन कहाँ छ र?
निकाल्न हाल्दा त मिलिहाल्छ, थप्न त मिलिहाल्छ नि, भाउ है त हो।
के फरक पर्दैन नि होइन?
मेरो ग्यारेन्टी।
हेर त यार कस्तो दामी आएको भ्यू, बाफ रे। What is the time? It's 3 AM. I'll sleep now. Mostly Neeraj will be driving, Vijay sir will be co-pilot. We are crossing Hyderabad, Varanasi to this place. Our drive is on. All good, guys?
All good, bro.
Nice. What happened? What do you want?
I want water, bro.
Oh, पानी पनि हाम्रो सकिन लाग्यो।
एउटा सिधै छ।
अनि एक बोतल छ।
ए ठिक छ त्यसमा।
Good.
So guys, good morning.
Good morning. All good to go?
Yes, all good to go. All set and all.
तेरो टोपी यहाँ राख्दै फाल्ने पर्छ।
फाल्छ फाल्न भाइ।
म यहाँ राखेको छु है त।
जता मन लाग्छ गरेर।
ल कन्टिन्यू। ट्रेनिङ सुरु भइसक्यो।
ठिक राख्दिनु। फुल ट्याङ्क गर्दैछु।
Now we want to see.
अहिले बरु झनक।
Hey people, this is our continuous drive, and you all know we had started from Banaras yesterday. We did a drive, we have crossed Hyderabad already, and now we are on our way towards Tirupati. ETA to Tirupati is 3-4 p.m. and you know what? We did not get our dinner yesterday. I mean, the hotels were closed. We didn't get our food, and all three of us are crazily hungry now, and we are looking for a place from where we can have idli sambar, of course, as you're in southern part of India. It's gonna be idli sambar, dosa, and all these things which we like, which we love. And for your information, this route that we are taking now from Hyderabad towards Tirupati, this is the first time for all of us. For Neeraj, South India is first time, and for Vijay sir also it's first time, and for me also it's first time. This route. So new things things are also happening. Let's keep rocking, let's keep rolling, let's keep driving. What is the time now? It's 7 a.m. now.
And let's keep sleeping also.
Let's keep sleeping also, yeah. One guy has to sleep.
घुर्दैछ
फोन त घुरेछ नि मस्त सुतिरहेछ
What happens is, and when you enter southern part of India, you have good places to eat. See, there is a charging station there, a beautiful sunrise that side, and then our breakfast place that side. Our car is parked here. It's fun this side. Bye. Creative side of Mr. Vijay Kasaji. He wanted me to park this car here and he wants to do some photography now. Check this out. Creative side of Mr. Vijay Kasaji. By the way, how was the food?
It was good.
It was good.
I liked it, yeah. I ate first time and I liked it.
First time I said good. Our Vijay sir and mere like it's a common thing. We did enjoy this food and you can see the change, just after entering southern part of India. You get good place to eat. Toilets are clean. Roads are good. South India ko afne fun sa. Ajay?
Look at the happy faces.
Happy faces. Though we did 24 hours of driving, still we are happy. And that's a beautiful sunrise that side. We are now about to continue our journey. We'll click few pictures, we'll get going. Our ETA estimated time of arrival to Tirupati is around 4. If we check it now, it will be around 4:30 because we did spend a little bit time here. Let's make a move now.
One eternity later.
Hey people, what's up? Drive is getting crazy, right? We have stopped for coffee. I was driving till now. I did around 130 kilometers, 130 plus kilometers. I think it's going to be Neeraj who's going to drive now, and you're going to sleep at the back.
And you go and sleep.
Shudh sir, shudh पर्छ. त्यतिकै बस्नु त. Let's have come. क्यापेसिटी छैन? क्यापेसिटी हुनु पर्यो, ल्याउनु पर्यो, जगाउनु पर्यो क्यापेसिटीलाई.
I don't know whether you guys have been able to hear that snoring sound or not. Actually, in this journey, I have two bumper shares. Usually, I used to have only one bumper share, but now in this journey, I have two bumper shares. One is this guy.
I'm a little bubber cell. He is a big bubber cell. He makes more, snoring sound than me.
Two bumper shares. बिचारा पीडित म सुत्नै पाउँदैन के गर्ने मेरो कुनै सेट बिराज
Oh. Andhra Kitchen, we have reached Andhra Kitchen and this break is for food, lunch break. Andhra Budi. Oh guys, come out. Hey folks, we have checked in, we have reached Tirupati. It was a rigorous drive, you all know that. Yeah, we had fun. And yeah, great drive, great time. And the hotel that we have checked in is on the highway actually. We did not enter the town, Tirupati town. It's because tomorrow morning, now we are going to the temple. We'll go to the temple, we'll go around the place. We will do Kapal अब मेरो छैन, but You guys know that, right? We sacrifice our hair whenever we come to Tirupati temple. So I'm gonna do that, even though I've got only little hair. I'll do that and we'll come back. We'll sleep here. Tomorrow we'll have our breakfast at 8 here. And then we'll push off. We'll go towards Rameshwaram, southernmost part of India, that side. So we are gonna reach there tomorrow. For now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna include my whatever is happening in the second part of this evening in my next vlog. For now, have a wonderful time, people. Shower some love in the form of subscription and likes and comments. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, stay happy, bye bye, and ciao.